The coronavirus is changing the world and how we used to live. Things that were taken for granted are no longer so. Suddenly, new problems arise and resources become limited. This is also the case in the thousands of hospitals and healthcare facilities that are fighting for human lives every day. They lack essential parts and protective clothing to be able to fight and work effectively. We want to help. We help by using 3D printing to produce new parts quickly, sustainably and affordably. We connect suppliers and buyers. For this we have developed an application. In this app, clients can register, see sample orders in their feed and place an order themselves. It's simple and fast. Clients can take a look at the catalog of already validated parts or provide their own designs. This is especially useful for hospitals and individuals without advanced additive manufacturing knowledge. These production requests will be sent out to be manufactured by one of our registered 3D printing service providers in the app. To guarantee health and food-safe products, the clients may require the supplier to have the appropriate certification. Suppliers can sign in and manage their profile via a registered account. To avoid intellectual property issues with original manufacturers, vendors are recommended to certificate the parts with the manufacturer and share part of the revenues with them. The service provided by providers are rated by clients after each fulfilled request, using several criteria. This helps customers decide which provider to pick and guarantees quality standards. When producing for a hospital during the corona crisis, the producer can opt to donate a part or require payment for his service. The feed offers the supplier the possibility to find requests, check the details such as material and printing technology requirement, quantity, transport distance and deadline, and respond with a production bid with a single click. Oh, look, the community answered my request. 3 answers. Let's go check out their rating. And look who's the best suited for my need.